Yes, there's one doubt regarding the question, that is minerals. How come these are national resources? Why not these are national resources, Raghav?
Ma'am, this should be international.
It should be international. It means if international resources, it means resources which are available, say in Russia, say in China, say in Japan. It means all of us have the access to that area, that those minerals. Sadhana, we have a particular territory. We here means all the countries of the world, they have particular territory. Hai na? So all territory, whatever resources are found there, that belongs to that nation. If you're talking about like why right now we are fighting with Pakistan and India, they're fighting with each other over Indus water dispute. Because actually Indus River starts from India. जहां तक हमारे इंडिया में, that is our resource, national resource of India. Once it enters Pakistan, it would become the resource of Pakistan. It can't be international resource. Minerals are found in India, belongs to our country because they are found in our territory. Our territory means it's found in our country. If minerals are found in Chota Nagpur Plateau area, if minerals are found in say a Deccan Trap, that is our country, found in our area. So automatically they belong to national resource. They can't be international resource. Clear or not? For, yes, clear, Raghav? Still not satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else having any doubt? So I'm just telling, I have two students, Madhav Kapoor and Bhavana. I don't have your roll number, so I'm not going to mark you present. So you people don't enter with your roll number. Okay, now neither class nor roll number, nothing is written. So we have discussed the paper, and now I'm going to discuss about the next topic of economics, which is very, very, very simple topic. Name of the topic is development. ठीक है जी? Development word, you all of you might have heard it. I don't think so. It's not at all a new word for you. What is development? Any one of you. कोई compulsion नहीं है कि मुझे, I don't want a proper definition of development. I just need to know what is development. What do you understand by the term development? Any one of you? Okay, Akhilesh, what do you mean by development? From your point of view, what is development? Akhilesh. Akhilesh.
And progress or growth.
Progress or growth is development according to you. Okay. Anshika, what is development according to you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, growth or increment in something.
Increment in something is development. Okay. And this is now Ashima. What is growth? What is development? Sorry. Ashima. Baljinder. Daksh Pava. Dilpreet Singh. Ekjot. Harjot. Bhumika. What is development according to you? And this chapter needs participation. If you won't participate, this chapter is not going to, it's not going to be good. I'm telling you in advance. I asked the same questions from 10th and such a good participation I got. So same thing I want from you. Yes, Raghav Sadana.
The increase in the quality of a service.
Increase in the quality of a services development. Okay. If I say, what is the meaning of development when we talk about India? From Indian point of view, for India, what is development? I need participation. I repeat from every one of you. Otherwise, ये बहुत boring chapter हो जाएगा. And we discussed this chapter in 10th in a very interesting manner. All the people, all the students, they gave their own views. Kanishka. Kanishka. Otherwise,
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
I have repeated the question, I guess, three or four times. What do you mean by development? Harsimran, what is development? I'm going to remove those students who are not responding at all. Neither yes or no.
Growth.
All of you are saying the same word. Growth. Ocean,
Ma'am, increase in living standards of people.
okay, very right. Increase in living standard of people is development. Okay. Sajal,
Increase in capital income.
increase in capital income. Very good. So participation should be like this. कि एक बच्चे का आवाज खत्म होता है, next child should be able to speak. Okay. Increase in income. Okay. Raghav Arora.
When the quality of a person living is good and the bad things present in the society are their number is less.
Bad things present in the society are less and life quality of life is good. That is development. Okay. For me, if I'm talking about my personal views, for me, development is when, regarding our country, development is when our country would live peacefully. When everyone is satisfied with the life, when everywhere there is a peace, no conflicts, no violence. For me, that is development. You people have given the meaning of development. Some of you said when there is a growth. Some of you said when there is no evils would eradicate from our society. Some says living standard would be good. Some say quality of life jab improve kar jayegi. That is development. Now I'm coming to you from personal point of view. Personally, what is development for you? Personal in the sense, for example, if I say personally, I want to have, say, a big house having all lawn kind of facility. Lawn should be there, and a big house I need. एक दो एकड़ में बना हो, such type of, that is development for me. If I say like this, what is development for you individually and independently? Not from country point of view, from your point of view. Karthik, what is development for you?
Ma'am, cleaning of sewerage.
Hanji?
Sewerage should be clean.
Sewerage should be clean. Okay. Bhumika. Bhumika.
Ma'am, the process of making something better and advanced.
From your point of view, I'm talking about individually, independently. अब मैं सिर्फ आपकी बात कर रही हूँ. जैसे मैंने बोला कि मुझे अपने घर में बहुत बड़ा घर चाहिए, पैलेस जैसा, that is my desire, my development. It would be my development. आपकी अपनी development क्या है? For example, Keshav Kalra. Yes,
Ma'am,
speak
if
up.
I am able to control time.
If I'm able to control time, good. Okay. Or speak up. इतने simple, इतना बढ़िया chapter है. Let's make it interesting. If few of you would speak, it won't be so effective. Kanishka, Karthik have done. Okay, Khwaish.
Economic development.
Economic development is what?
Increase in income.
Acha, that is your personal, huh? Personal है आपका.
Changes.
Okay. Or
Changes.
By making my will more strong.
making my will more strong. Very right. Very good. Very good. Or
Exploring new things every day.
very right. Exploring new thing every day. Very right.
Making
Knowing
virus
and
of
building
COVID-19.
your own identity.
Very right. Making our own identity. Very good. Or very good. This such kind of participation I really love. Yes. Or
Educated properly.
we should get education, proper education we should have. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the chapter. All of you have given your views. Alag views you have given. I had already given my views, and my view was entirely different from your view. एक ने बोला कि I want to control time. That is her view or his view. एक ने बोला कि yes, I want sewerage should be clean. That is their view. किसी ने बोला कि growth should be there. Their view. It means what? Every one of you have given your own views. Every one of you have given your own views. Views regarding what? views regarding development. Now, what does it mean? Now, I'm concluding here. What does it mean? Do you think the meaning of development is the same for all of us? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It is not same. It varies. It varies from person to person. It means the meaning of development can't be same. Some says poverty should be eradicated from our country. Some says there should not be unemployment in our country. Some says everyone should have a peaceful life. Some says we should have more per capita income. Every one of us should have more economic growth, more per capita income. Some says our living standard should be better than this. It means what? Developmental goals. Whatever goal is in your mind regarding development, that is not same with everyone. It varies from person to person. For example, any industrialists, yeah, government want to construct a dam. ध्यान से सुनना इस example को. Government want to construct a dam, and for this, what they have done, they have selected the place where they want to construct a dam, and after that, they have started cutting down the forests. They started deforesting the area. तो जंगलों को government has started cutting down the forest. Why? Because they want to construct a dam. Why they want to construct a dam? Because industries in that area, they need electricity 24 hours. Industrialists को electricity provide करना है 24 hours. What they need electricity, and the electricity we can obtain through dam. So government ने जंगलों को काटा. That is their development. Government want to make a dam there to make industrialists satisfied. Government want to satisfy their developmental goal. But on the other side, people living in that forest or that forested area, they don't want these forests should be cut down. They are against it. They are opposing it. They don't want it should be done. Why they don't want it should be done? Because they are in love with nature, because that is their home, because they are environmentalists basically, because their earning depends on the forests. Agar jungle kaat diye jayenge, they have to leave that area. They have to shift to some other place, and they don't want to go to any other area. So एक का developmental goal है dam बनाना industries के लिए, दूसरे लोगों का developmental goal है कि एक dam ना बने. Both the interests, both the goals right now are conflicting. It means what? एक developmental goal किसी एक के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, किसी दूसरे के लिए वो बहुत they are against that. It means that developmental goals are conflicting developmental goals. Conflicts are there. Like right now, if say every one of us want Corona should come to an end. Do you think there is some conflicting goal? Answer is no. No conflicting goal. सब चाहते हैं Corona should come to an end. But अगर हम थोड़ा सा और wider सोचें, there are so many companies who are earning lakhs and crores from the diseases. They never want these diseases should come to an end from the earth. वो नहीं चाहते, क्योंकि वो अगर ये diseases खत्म हो गए, से TB is there, plague is there, malaria is there, dengue is there, ये सब diseases अगर खत्म हो जाती हैं, तो उनकी industries what kind of medicine then they will produce? उनको तो नुकसान हो जाएगा. Conflicting goals. Is this point clear? Those who are clear with these conflicting goals, different developmental goals, and sometimes they can be conflicting. And if you are not clear, kindly ask me again. Only one child? There are number of children sitting in the class. Okay. So conflicting goals and same goals. It means हमने एक पहले बात किया कि what is development. उसके बाद हमने बात किया different developmental goals can be conflicting. So abhi two statements we have reached. Write down those two statements. First statement is write down these statements because these statements can be asked in the form of a question. आपको independent 5-mark question में भी पूछी जा सकती हैं. So please note down the statement. First is different persons have different developmental goals. Different persons can have different developmental goals. Second statement is what may be development for one, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. What may be development for one may not be development for the other. And it may even be destructive for the other. It can be destructive even for the other. So two statements I'm repeating. Different persons have different developmental goals. First statement. Second, what may be development for one may not be development for other. Any doubt in these two statements? Any doubt in these two statements? No doubts? All clear to all of you?
मैम फर्स्ट वाली रिपीट कर दो.
Different persons have different developmental goals. जैसे मैंने चैप्टर को जब स्टार्ट ही करवाया, I asked, what do you mean by development? What in your words, what is development? It means different persons have different developmental goals. Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next heading, write down income and other goals. Income and other goals. Income and other goals. And before that, okay, income and other goals, let's start. Beta, can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So here, income and other goals. Do you think income is the only thing which we need for development? Any one of you? Do you think income is the only need which is required for development?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. क्यों नहीं भी? क्यों नहीं? क्यों नहीं? बोलो.
Human resources is also required with that.
Okay, human resource is also required. Income के साथ. Okay, human resource क्या? What is human resource? What do you mean by this?
Investment in healthcare, skill and education.
Okay, it means education is required for development. It means health is required for development, है ना? It means skill is required for
Yes, ma'am.
development. ये तीनों चीजें आ गई. Okay, very right, very right. Or what else means development? Income आपने बोला या मैंने बोला, health हमने बात किया, education हमने बात की कि ये भी development के ही parts हैं. और except income, क्वेश्चन ये है, except income, what other are the prominent goals for development? Except income. Okay, right now number of students are sitting in the class, है ना? All of you are say equally rich, for example. Equally rich, so automatically income level is almost the same. ये point हो गया. Now, if I am treating you people on the basis of your caste, all of you are equally rich, but in the class, my treatment with every one of you, that is not so good. I am treating upper caste students with very love and care, and lower caste students with hate and such type of rude feeling I am showing to them. Do you think that is development? Do you think that is development?
Yes, ma'am.
That is development? Please.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, there must be equality.
There must be equality. It means except income, what else we need? Equality. ये भी हमें चाहिए. बहुत पैसा हो गया, but हमें society में no one is treating us properly just because we belong to lower caste. So that is not development. Okay, equality we need. Say, and I request to all of you to participate in this. You please participate. Second point, next point we can say, say all of you are very rich, and I have asked, being a teacher, I have asked you people to be quiet for 1 hour, for 1 week, for 2 weeks, and have snatched your fundamental rights. I've snatched your rights. I've snatched the right to speak. I've snatched the right to go here and there. Do you think that is development? No. Freedom is also required when we talk about development. Are you getting me or not? मजा नहीं आ रहा, मुझे बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आ रहा क्लास में पढ़ा के. Except income, equality is required for development. That is also one of our major goal when we talk about development. Except equality, freedom is also one of the major goal when we talk about development. Then very important point right now, which is deadly required in a country, security. Security of from every one of every one of us needs security. I am very rich, I have freedom, बहुत पैसा है, but if my life is not secure, रात को चोरियां हो रही, which is very common in Punjab. Girls are not safe outside. Security नहीं है. Do you think that country is developed country? Answer is no. Development का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमारी country is one of the developing country moving towards development, but girls of this area are not secure. They are not safe. So we can't say this area is developed area. Take an example of Arabian countries where there is a gender discrimination. Women are not allowed to go out of the four walls of a house. They don't have any equality. They don't have any freedom. Though they are rich, उनकी जो per capita income is highest in the world, Arabian countries. But we don't count these countries as developed country because there is no equal treatment. There is no freedom to the ladies, to a particular gender. So whenever we are talking about income and other goals, all of you are getting education. सभी आप क्यों पढ़ रहे हो? Okay, इस simple से question का आंसर बताइए. Why all of you are getting education? Why all of you are getting
For
education?
the future,
हाँ जी?
for the better,
For the
for the
better
better
future.
future.
For the better future. Better future कैसे आएगा? कैसे आएगा? कैसे आएगा?
By
Being
getting
educated.
job.
By getting
Being-
education, by being in a
educated.
job. Being in a job. Job में होंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमें इनकम मिलेगी, पैसा मिलेगा. पैसा होगा तो हम अपने डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं. But always keep one thing in your mind: money or the materialistic things we can buy. All materialistic things we can buy with the help of money. Our life depends on money. Our standard depends on money. But the quality of our life, I'm talking about now quality. मनी से चीजें आ सकती हैं, मनी से कंफर्ट आ सकते हैं, मनी से मेटेरियलिस्टिक चीजें जो मर्जी आप मार्केट से खरीद लो, बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ आवर लाइफ दैट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन मनी ओनली. कैसे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर लिविंग, all of us, all Indians are living right now, and where environment is not. Take an example of Corona. Every one of us, or they say, have some kind of fear in our mind regarding this disease. Yeah, people are suffering from this disease. Either we are rich or we are poor. Either we are upper caste or we are lower caste. Take an example of Amitabh Bachchan's family suffering from COVID, suffered from COVID, though they are extremely rich. But they also suffered from this. What does it mean? पैसे से हम ऐसी चीजों से अपने आप को नहीं बचा सकते. So development does not mean only money. Development means quality of life. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
There are certain things which we cannot measure. हम measure ही नहीं कर सकते कुछ चीजों को. जैसे can we measure? जैसे हम कहें कि environment we need, but it should be neat and clean environment for every one of us. या मैं कहूँ कि I have lot of money, so I can buy pure air. Is it possible with money? Can I buy pure air? No. Money से कुछ चीजें हम नहीं खरीद सकते. कुछ चीजें नेचर ने हमें दी हुई हैं. We have to take care of that. Money income is not the only criteria to know about the developmental level. There are so many other criteria also. For example, equality, for example, freedom, for example, safe environment, clean drinking water. That is also this important for our survival. Is this point clear? Emotional support, moral support. For example, you have got a job, and job is extremely good. बहुत पैसा, बहुत comfort, everything is too good in that job. बहुत बढ़िया है. आपका से annual package ही आपका 20 to 25 lakh है. बहुत बढ़िया. So आपको ये बोला गया है, you have to leave your parental house and you have to in a far off area, से लद्दाख के एक रिमोट एरिया में आपको काम करना है, एंड 1 साल से पहले आप घर नहीं आ सकते हो और आपको अकेले ही काम करना पड़ेगा. What would be your choice? Having salary 2 lakh and you want to go and join the job, or second option, you would say no to the job and you want to be with your family. What would be your priority? Anyone of
No
Ma'am,
to the
second
job.
option.
गर्ल ने बोला सेकंड ऑप्शन. राघव ने क्या बोला? आई थिंक राघव ने बोला. What was it?
No to the job.
Go to the job. Go to the job. Go to the job. Okay. Why go to the job?
मैम no बोला है, go नहीं बोला.
अच्छा, no to the job. Very right. Okay. Very right. No to the job. क्यों no to the job भाई? Same is from
मैम अगर
the
नो टू जॉब कर
मैम
दिया तो
जिनके
फिर
लिए
घर वाले
पैसा
बाहर निकाल देंगे.
मैम जिनके लिए पैसा कमाना है वही साथ नहीं है तो फिर क्या फायदा पैसे
exactly.
का.
Very right. Very right. Practically this is correct. जिनके लिए पैसा
अगर
कमाना
पैसा
है,
नहीं कमाया
अगर पैसा
अगर
नहीं
पैसा
कमा
नहीं कमाया तो घर वाले बाहर निकाल देंगे.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. घर वालों के लिए आप लोग हमेशा प्रायोरिटी हो, और घर वाले ये चाहते हैं कि आप लोग अच्छा अर्न करो. इट्स नॉट बिकॉज घर वाले नीड मनी, इट्स बिकॉज दे वांट योर लाइफ शुड बी गुड. So definitely, now here we are talking about if we have these two choices, we get a job or leave the family, so automatically we will leave the job instead of leaving the family. Got it? So अगर आपको ऐसी जॉब मिली जिसमें सब कुछ है but life is not secure, बहुत पैसा, life is not secure, तो automatically we won't get that job, क्योंकि हमारे लिए लाइफ की सिक्योरिटी इंपॉर्टेंट है, फ्रीडम हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. So here the conclusion of the story is, whenever we talk about development, people always look at mix of goals. Mix of goal means what? कोई कहता है, जैसे कार्तिक ने बोला घर वाले निकाल देंगे बाहर, it means his preference would be going to job. So mix of goal. कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं मुझे family is more important, they would go there. तो it means what? जब भी हम डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं, we always look at mix of goal. Mix of goal मतलब हम 2-3 goals, 2, 4, 5, 7 goal को लेके चलते हैं. So except income, you can note it down, except income and other goals, we have things we want. We want freedom, we want security, we also want respect of others. So that all these things without which we can't survive. We can't survive without love and care of our friends, of our parents. We can't survive without respect from others. We can't survive without trust and beliefs. So all these are those goals which we need. And सबसे बड़ा point, ये point है, these things
Ma'am.
cannot be measured. Yes, बच्चे?
Ma'am, Bhumika is in waiting room, so please. enter
Nothing,
her
no,
in
nothing
class.
is, but beta, nothing is here for my side. No one is there. I mean, no joining, no admission, nothing is there. Samiksha is there. Okay, she's not from your class. Is it 10:50? Okay, 8th class students have started arriving. Okay, Hanji, any doubt, beta ji? Any doubt?